It is time to open our daily boxes for the Stitch Supply Company. Hey, I'm Becky from Patchworkers Plus, my online quilt group, where I help you finish what you start, use what you have, and build friendships without even leaving your home. You are invited to join me there if you are interested. Check the link in the description. All right, we are going to open this every day, and you're going to see what's inside and what is included. Let's check it out. Day 12. Day 12. I'm going to say a label. Nope. It's a card of something. Oh, I was right. It's labels. The strawberry labels. Oh, lolly tags. Okay, this is adorable. Do you guys use labels on your projects? I try really hard, and that means I don't do it. I need to start doing it. I just love the little strawberry. You just stick a little strawberry on your project. Yes, thank you. These are fusible. These ones are fusible, the bigger ones. So you just fuse them right to your project. You could still stitch around it. Make sure your fusible's dry before you do that. It's going to gunk up your machine. But all those small labels, that's cute. I'm going to put them back in because, oh, yep, I almost just already started losing them.